How to add Amazon store card to account. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can add an Amazon store card to your account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. There are different platforms, like dashboards here in Amazon, because probably at the bottom of your screen you're going to find the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. And sometimes now here in this screen, you're gonna find a button that says My Account. But in my case, I don't have that button. So if I want to add a card, what I need to do is try to buy something. Let's suppose I'm gonna buy this clock. I'm gonna add it to my cart. Done. And if I go into my cart and if I proceed to check out, here's the place where I can add my payment. So as you can see, I have already a credit card linked to my Amazon. Here I can add a gift card, promotion code or voucher, and also, some more details. So if I tap here in paying with Visa and those numbers, I could access to this screen where I can select a new credit card or to add a new one. So in the top right corner, I'm gonna add a new one. And here I have the different options: add a credit or debit card, a pay with cash at a location near, add a personal checking account, or add your Venmo account. So if I add a credit or debit card, you just have to type your card number, expiration date, security code, and the name of card. Remember that if your card doesn't have an expiration date, you can contact Amazon customer care and they will help you add it to your account. Where is your service or customer care? Again, at the bottom of your screen, three horizontal lines, and here I have the customer service. And there you must contact them and try to begin a new chat with them or to watch an article in order to connect that credit card without security code, okay? Or even without expiration date. And that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.